Hi Dan, thanks for watching this video. In this video, I will explain the whole package you'll get for these predetermined fast connector type connectors. Okay, so I will tell you what you got for your packet. So it seems quite a lot right now, but first off, I want to say 1, 2, 3. These 3 are must for you. Okay, for this and this, you can see the grommet, it is round. So these 2 are for round cable. These 2 are for flat drop cable. You can think, if you see the grommet, you will find this. You can see the grommet has a flat insert. Okay, so in this way, if you are using round drop cable, okay, choose this 5. If you are using flat drop cable, choose this 5. And this is how the flat drop cable looks like. Okay, I think you already got this. So this is a brief video about explanation of our products. That's all.